Hi! Do you want to listen to your personal songs playlist wherever you go without having to download these songs onto your phone? By using our software, it's possible to take your songs with you, no matter where you are. Get access to your favorite songs today. To get started, go to our website link, which is located in the YouTube description. Begin by uploading your personal songs onto your Google Drive. Once you have finished uploading those songs, you're ready to go. To start listening to music from Google Drive first, you need to log into your Google Drive by clicking Play from Drive. Next, a pop-up will appear. You can select the songs you want to play. Try this free simple software out today to listen to your songs while you are on the move. Save space on your phone by relying on the cloud for your songs. Click on the website link in the YouTube description to get this free software now. If you like our content, please press the subscribe button as well. Our team provides useful tech content on a weekly basis. Remember to click the bell as well. Thank you for watching.